Hello, Daniel here. Welcome to another one of my product review videos, and in this video we're going to be looking at a iPhone case made by a company called Lanheim. It's their armoured range. It's in black. It's from Amazon, and if you're looking at buying this case, and I hope this video helps you make your decision, basically with this case it's almost a bulletproof case. It has metal either side. It's all screwed together, and I'll show you a bit more of that in a minute, before and after. As you can see, 6-screw fixation. These are little Allen bolts, and they give you a little wrench for that. Screensaver gloss. This phone's already got it. It's just to protect this phone. Silicone rubber. The phone itself actually fits into this rubber, as you can see. And zinc alloy cover. So basically, all this sandwiches together and bolts together. And then at the bottom, you have like a little piece that comes out where you can charge it, a rubber bung, and a piece for the headphone jack if it's got it. So the iPhone we're installing it on the iPhone 6s. It is an old one, but they do it for the 7s and all that stuff, all those higher models. The case is quite heavy. It's not like a regular bumper case. I've got one on my phone. I've been using it for many months, and I know other people that use them all the time, and they're just really great. Pricing is just under £20, which I think is quite reasonable considering the protection it offers your devices, because obviously they are expensive. So let's open the box. So I'll do this video in 2 parts, maybe 3 parts. So first thing is a strap. So this is a strap. I don't use this personally, but that allows you to put it around your hand and hold it. There are a lot of colour options available. This one's black on the front, but they also do like a cherry red. It's handy if you've got the same phone in the family or with your friends, you've got one charging, you're sort of just wondering which phone is yours. Obviously bigger iPhones would indicate different models, but sometimes they're the same sort of size. So in this pack we've got 2 Allen wrenches. Now the thing about these cases from experience is when you tighten up the screws, do not over tighten them. That's very important, and because the Allen wrenches will actually wear, so don't over tighten them. 20% off future products. This is just about their products again. So there's 2 things about products and deals. So the things that come with the case are the strap, which fixes into the bottom. So you can have it around your hand when you're holding it like this. For whatever reason you might need that. Obviously Allen wrenches, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got a fair amount of screws. That's where the speaker sound will come out of. You've got your things for the camera. You've got your vibration thing off. So if you used to imagine, this is the side of the phone here. Vibration on and off, volume. This just pushes down and up this button. You've got your volume buttons on the side, and then you've got your power button here. This is for this particular model. It may differ. And for iPhones with a headphone jack still, should be that thing there. That's your thing there. It's like a little thing that pushes in and out and seals it. And the lightning charging port is here. That just goes in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart, put the phone in it, and just give you an idea of how it all fits together. The other thing that's important to mention is that this phone's got a screen protector on it. This has been put on. This thing does actually come with like an almost perspex type thing. I've never used this on my phone, and I did notice that the swiping left and right wasn't as good as it with just a standard, say, Gorilla Glass screen protector. So if it was me, I would buy this decent case and have a, as you can see, like a screen protector on it. But that's entirely up to you. Right, back in 2 seconds. Hello, welcome back to part 2 of the video. So as I mentioned before, on the back of the box it comes in 3 main parts: the front, silicone rubber, and the back. So now I've taken all the screws out, little Allen screws. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of them. And we'll just have a look at this. So if you're wondering how this is all put together, so this is the front. It's like a cast aluminium. I'm actually going to take out this thing, this inner perspex. I'll just push that out. As you can see, look, just push that out. That'll be fine because I've already got a screen protector. This is just like an example card, and then they also give you, forgot to mention, also give you some more screws, which is needed sometimes because if you have the case on and off for maintenance, for example, if you've got this in here for a few months, you might want to take it all apart and just remove some dust, etc. Then sometimes the screws can get a little bit rounded off if you're not careful. It's foam. Give you a screen protector, screen cleaner, sorry, my mistake. And this is the silicone holder, so that's basically it. The foam just slides in there like that, and out the sides the buttons connect. The only thing you have to be careful when you're installing this is the vibration thing here. It's got like a notch in it. You need to make sure that it lines up with this piece, but you can just slide it in sort of like that, then go back. That's what I do. And this is just the back. So that's it. And obviously it doesn't matter what colour you get in or what iPhone model, it will be the same. So I'll put it all back, I'll put it all together, and I'll come back with the third part. Hi, and welcome back to the third and final part of this Lanheim armoured case for iPhone review. So obviously I've put all the case together. The camera and the flash are showing, the vibe button showing. Just verifying that everything's working. So if I press this, so down is for silent mode, up is for off, in case that's all working properly. And then that the volume's working properly. A couple more things to check. Headphone port there, you can see it in there, so that's fine. And that's the lightning charging thing there. So when you put this together, don't over tighten the screws. Literally just, I tend to use the that you can tighten it up like that, maybe for final tightening, but I tend to use this one, and just have even pressure. Just tighten it up so it won't turn anymore. Don't over tighten it, because what will happen is you will strip the end of this Allen wrench. You do get a spare one and you do get additional screws, but that's the only thing I'd say. When you put it together, when I do it, I put the screw here in each corner, then I put them in loosely and then just tighten everything up together. It's quite a good fit. I didn't use the included screen protector. This is just held on by like this tape on the inside edge, because as I said before with my phone, one I'm using to film this, I had problems swiping, and I noticed that things just weren't as quick. And you know, when you're using a phone, you want it to be like as quick as that sort of thing. So that's why I decided to remove this one, the included one, as we already had a Gorilla Glass one on there. So if you was buying this, I would say to buy the case and buy a Gorilla Glass screen protector, and you'll have no problems at all. So if you are thinking about buying this armoured case for iPhone, then I'm hoping my video helps you making a decision. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment below, and if you'd like the videos we do, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.